Meaning of house arrest.
House arrest.
House arrest.
House arrest.
House arrest. House arrest is a legal and criminal justice sanction that involves confining an individual to their own residence. The person under house arrest is usually not permitted to leave their home unless there is a medical emergency or other compelling reasons. This penalty is imposed as an alternative to imprisonment and can be used for individuals who do not pose a threat to society but have committed a crime. The result of house arrest is limiting the individual's freedom of movement, enforcing a sense of isolation and confinement, and forcing the person to bear the consequences of their actions while remaining in their own home.